Hi traders, here we are looking at our weekly update video on the 9 instruments. What are the potential trades being set up? What are the current positions that we are running? How are they doing? What is the methodology behind this? All this and more in this live trading session video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the MasterTheMarkets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent trading performance. It is Tune Upon here, founder of MasterTheMarkets Elite Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders on the 9 instruments that we look at. We usually do this on a Monday because of over the bank holiday weekend. We're doing it today. But taking a look, let's start off with Bitcoin very swiftly. Taking a look at Bitcoin according to our smart money framework and cycle methodology, what we can see over here is that we did take a look on this is an uptrend phase 2. Some of you already are familiar with how we define trend and define phase as well if you've been watching our previous videos. If you have not yet or do not understand any of it, just a quick point, MasterTheMarkets 2010 is the channel to follow on TradingView, and you can watch under streams all the different terminologies over here that we are using. Okay, under streams you can watch the 7 steps to consistent trading performance, and that will give you a bit more understanding on how we are looking at trend and phase and all of that. Later on I'll also tell you about our 5-day video course that you can access as well. This will give you a really good methodology and understanding of our methodology and the open equity side of things. Right, coming back to Bitcoin over here, what I'm taking a look over here, traders, is that from our previous videos, what we have mentioned, this is an uptrend phase 2, as I mentioned, and we're looking at a turning point. We're going to see if that bottom holds, right, on the daily. We'll see if we have a confirmation or not. So let me just take a look at the daily side of things. Yes, it looks like it's building up a bit more. Let me just move that a bit more. If this confirms, right? If this bottom confirms today by our smart money indicator and according to the smart money framework, and a dot appears, so this is our confirmation bar that fulfills the formulas, we will start to look to take a position on that, and we will update you as well on it. Okay, so that is something definitely we will be taking a look at. In terms of the VSA indicator as well, is already signaling also certain potential buying points over here as well. And in terms of the volume, I'm just going to put the volume on as well. There's a big volume spike here as well. So everything is aligning together for a higher probability that that bottom over here, which I'm seeing here, could hold to become a weekly bottom, which is what the whole idea of this is, right? So wait for the phase 2 in an uptrend to turn and to enter a bit earlier on a lower time frame based on our quantification, and then to ride the move up. Okay, so that's on Bitcoin, traders. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone. Now on Ethereum, similar, but then that is a downtrend, right? It's a phase 1, so I'm not won't be taking a look at that. I'm looking mainly for phase 2 moves over here. Just to give you an idea, this is an uptrend. This is a downtrend phase 2 here. What we are having a look at, traders, right? On gold over here, on the daily. I'm just going to take a look before the daily. I'm going to take a look at the weekly very quickly. So yes, I am having the same thing here. So on the weekly, it has done this, right? Taken out that price structural failure. That's a downtrend phase 1, okay, at the moment on the weekly time frame. So over here, I will take a look at a continuation move on the daily time frame. So I will be taking a look for that to come down and then to confirm the top. Okay, All based on cycles, right? After a bottom, a top must be formed. Is it not, traders? Yeah. So that's all we are taking a look at. So in terms of gold, I'll just take a note over here and then I'll update all of this. For gold, looking at continuation, move, downtrend phase 1, daily, top 2, confirm. That's all we are looking at. I'll also update it over here as well. So this one is 21st August, wasn't it? So I will update it here. Weekly is downtrend phase 1, waiting for daily top 2, confirm and take move in alignment with weekly ETP1. Okay, as of, I'll just put the date, 29 August, and that's what we would do over here, all in real time, isn't it? Not traders, yeah? So here, so I'll do that, all right? Cool. Now, that is to do with gold. I'll put it back on weekly. Going back now, British pound, right? So British pound, we did take a look at this quite a lot on whether the bottom will hold, right? Is this bottom going to hold? And we did take a few positions on them as well. And you guys knew what happened in real time. So if I go on the daily, we did take a position based on the former time frame around here. But then that bottom did not hold and then it did fail, okay? That's what we had over there. And we tracked all of that on our Master the Markets 2010 channel under ideas. Remember, we had so many of them, right? GPUSD low going to hold. This was the sixth one. We kept on looking at it daily. So definitely I highly recommend you guys to follow us and see us in real time how we are looking at these trades and taking them. That was actually a loss, a small loss we took. But still, that doesn't mean that the next bottom is going to hold, right? So just follow us on that and you'll start to understand the whole methodology. Master the Markets 2010 because it's been going on since 2010. And definitely watch our 5-day video course and this link over there, right? It will teach you about all this cycle framework and open equity methodology designed for both beginners and intermediate traders. Yeah. So coming back to here, I will wait for a confirmation here and a daily bottom to confirm before I consider a move over there, okay, to capture the potential bottom to becoming a weekly bottom. So this is what we are seeing over here. I'm just going to type in that, waiting for daily to confirm its bottom, okay, before we take a position, right? And this is as of 29/08/2023. I'll do that, traders. I'll leave it there and then we will carry on swiftly to the next one, euro dollar here. So euro dollar, what I'm taking a look, okay, again, right? If you take a look, that is an uptrend phase 2, isn't it? Yeah, that's what we're looking at. Weekly top confirmed as I've written here. Wait for daily bottom confirm for capturing weekly turning point towards weekly phase 1 move. Now, let me go on to daily. I don't think, yeah, we haven't had a bottom confirm, but we're just having it just right now over here, right? If it does, this is a potential bottom at the moment. I'm not sure if it's going to confirm. If it does confirm, what will we have? We'll have an arrow pop up here, and this will be the confirmation. But if it does confirm today, and a dot, okay? Now, some of you who are not sure about what we're talking about, cycle framework, highly recommend you watching this 5-day video course that we have put together. And also under streams, watch the 7 steps to consistent trading performance. After that, you can move on to looking at strategy construction. But before all of that, I highly recommend you guys watching the 5-day video course. Okay, we'll bring you all up to speed. For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below. Right, so then I'm taking a look. Let me just go on to take a look at S&P. So on euro dollar, yeah, waiting for daily to confirm. Is it not trader? So let me just write that onto the box over here. Yeah, waiting for daily bottom to confirm before considering take a position as of 29 August 2023. Okay, that's good. That's on euro dollar. Now going and taking a look at S&P. S&P at the moment again phase 2. I was taking a look at this before traders. You know, the only thing with this is sometimes I do take a look at the Fibonacci as well. And what I do, I draw the Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top. The good thing is that because of the smart money framework that we have, you can actually draw your bottoms, your Fibonacci bottom and the top more consistently, isn't it? Because we have quantified those bottom. You see the blue arrow and the top, right? And the orange. This was work that was started in the 1960s, yeah, by my mentor's mentor. And then over here, traders, what we are then taking a look at over here is, but this hasn't come to the 38.2%. I have seen that most of the time it will retrace to 38.2 before going further up to confirm. So highly probably there's a chance that this bottom won't hold and then it comes down. In the instance where it carries on and confirms, that's a true bull run and it's a runaway market, and at that point we will just take continuation trades on the daily time frame. So for now, I'll be a bit wary of this to take this yet on the daily time frame. And daily, we did have a confirmation there. But I'm also not having any volume spikes as well, as I can see in the VSA relative volume here indicator. And the same thing for the weekly as well. I'm not really getting any volume spikes. So that's why I'm cautious of taking that bottom to hold. Okay, that's on the S&P. Brent, on the other hand, traders. Interesting. I did take a look at this in last week's video as well. Remember that under ideas, if you take a look, under live trading session 234, we took a look at this as well. Brent oil, remember? And then we analyze all those positions. Over there, traders, what we did take a look at is this bottom got confirmed here, right? So we're quite a bit far off from there. It did turn into an uptrend when it took out that top uptrend phase 1 at the moment, but this is retracing down. So I might see that there is top to be confirmed over there. But if we think that this is just going to be some profit taking before it shoots up more further up, we can take a continuation move. But the probability of this going further up, which is what I've mentioned in the previous video, because of our quantification of our tops and bottoms, you will see that this is $7.36, which is about, let me see, it's about 736 according to the table, isn't it? 867. Yeah, so over here, if you take a look, traders, so over here it's about 724. For it to go to 800, there's a 56% chance, right? 50-50. There could be a high probability because for phase 1 moves, it could go. But if this is a first trend change, I've not usually seen it usually go much further. If I go on the daily time frame, I did get a confirmation of the bottom, but I would take a step back from that and see how that moves on the weekly before I take any positions. Okay, so I will just update this for now. At the moment, weekly UTP1, but only a 6% chance to continue higher, and since it's the first trend change, we'll wait for a top to confirm on weekly before taking a P1 turning point trades on daily. Okay, traders, before taking P1 weekly turning point trades on daily as of change in August, and that's all we are looking at the moment. Okay, so we'll wait for that and we'll see how that carries on. Finally, Dow Jones, what I'm taking a look at, traders, is that this is a typical weekly top confirm, looking for weekly potential bottom to hold to capture P1 turning point. You see, as I mentioned before, typical one here. We did take a look at the probabilities as well in our previous live trading session. Uptrend phase 2. Will this bottom hold is what the question is. And if I take a look at that on the daily, as it confirmed its bottom, we'll take a look at it today. And if it does confirm that bottom, there's a high chance that we can carry on to hold on and become a weekly bottom traders. Yeah. So I will take a look at that. Again, is it a Fibonacci 38%? Let me just check that. Yeah, that is 38.2. It did hit that. Something that we can take a look at to take some trades on. Okay, so settings, I'll go weekly, looking for weekly potential to hold the capture P1 turning point, waiting for daily bottom to confirm before taking potential trades. Okay, that's what we are taking a look at, and this is as of 29 2023. Alright traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me. So it's quite a few trades setting up. We just need to wait for the daily bottom to confirm to see if then they become the weekly bottom. So I'm just taking a look. It's phase 2, isn't it? This one here, there's one, actually, yeah, it turned around in the first one, isn't it? Yeah, it's worth taking a look at, and we will see how that actually plays itself out in these different instruments. Okay. I guess that's pretty much it, traders. If there's any questions, of course, drop in to us through TradingView messages and all of that, or through email. Other than that, just a quick reminder, check out definitely our 5-day video course over here. It's put together by 12 years of collected research and 40 years of cumulative trading experience by our team. We've been going on since 2010, and you can also follow us on our channel and look at all the different updates we do and post and videos and high quality content that we keep giving, all in the mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent trading performance. Alright traders, as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.